All right, let's review the organizing and draft part of the instructions for this paper. So remember, the topic of this paper is human rights and immigrants. This paper will be 5 paragraphs long, so you should include an introduction paragraph, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion paragraph. Okay, so for your introduction paragraph, remember, choose one of the 7 ways to write your introduction paragraph. Remember, if your introduction paragraph is too short, you can always choose 2 of those ways and combine them to make a really good, solid introduction paragraph. Remember to end that introduction paragraph with a thesis statement. And if you need to review any of these things, the 7 ways or how to write a thesis statement, remember all of this information is in the writing resources module. It's the very first module you will see when you click on the module link. Okay, let's talk about the body paragraphs. Okay, you will choose 3 human rights that you think are the most important for immigrants. So you get to choose the human rights you would like to write about in your body paragraphs. In each body paragraph, you will focus on one human right. Okay? In each body paragraph, you should describe what this human right is in your own words. Explain why this right is important to immigrants. Okay? Use class materials to give examples of how this right can be violated for immigrants or why it is important. So you are using class sources to support why this right is so important or impactful to immigrants. Okay, remember that each of your body paragraphs and really every paragraph should have a topic sentence, supporting details, and a concluding sentence. Don't forget those important topic sentences and concluding sentences for each paragraph, except your introduction paragraph, of course, because that should end with your thesis statement. All right, and finally, you must have facts and examples from at least one class source in your each body paragraph, okay? But remember, to meet the requirements, you must use the distance between us and 3 other sources from class. So that means you need 4 different class sources in your body paragraph. So you're probably going to use more than one class source in some of your body paragraphs. Okay. Your conclusion paragraph, we are telling you to use the call to action technique. So your conclusion paragraph, you do not get to choose which technique you would like to use. We are assigning you the call to action technique. Remember, if you need to review this way to write a conclusion paragraph, you can find that information in the writing resources module. Okay? These questions are here to help you write this paragraph. What is our responsibility to uphold? That means to protect, support, and practice these rights. What is the government's responsibility to uphold, to protect, support, and practice these rights? So those are some questions you can answer and will help you write your conclusion paragraph, and remember to use the call to action technique. Okay, in my next video, I will be reminding you of some revising and proofreading some important requirements for this paper.